Wow, I made a new sound. I love it. Hey, sheep, listen. Huh, they're jumpy today. Wow.
Hi, Nia. Don't scare the butterflies, please.
Oh, wow. Hey, have you heard my new sound?
Oh, wow. That was pretty loud. But cool, but loud.
Oh, no, it was too loud, wasn't it?
Well, too loud for the butterflies.
I'm going to find a place where it's okay to be loud.
Good luck!
Here's a good spot. Gordon, wait till you hear my new sound.
Hey, Nia. What's wrong?
Sorry I woke you up. I have a great new sound, but it's too loud to play anywhere.
Sometimes it's fun to be loud. You need to find a place where being loud won't make others cranky.
Cranky? Great idea, Gordon.
Oh, what are you doing here, Nia?
This.
Wow, nice loud sound. I like it. Hey, nice one, Bulstrode.
Come on, Thomas. These cows aren't going to haul themselves to McCall's farm. Let's go.
Uh-oh, wait!
What is it?
I can't steam, and I lost my peep because I'm out of water.
I'm a diesel, so I don't need water. Catch me if you can.
That's it. Sorry, cows. Why we gotta hurry? Rusty rail spikes. I have the ups.
Hey, Thomas. Is there like a really big chicken around here?
No, it's me. I took on water too fast, and I think I got the hiccups so bad I can't do the delivery.
Oh, I hear steam blasts help. Like this.
That might have worked.
The cows have hiccups? Oh, that's hilarious. Us. Uh-oh.
A good surprise always cures the hiccups.
It worked.
It's a good thing we diesels never get hiccups. I guess we do get hiccups.
Almost there. Yeah. There.
Hey, Sandy.
Whoa.
Sandy?
Oh, hey, Carly. How are you?
Why do you have all this stuff?
It's all very important stuff.
You're not using it, but you can take it to whiffs, so someone else can reuse or recycle it.
Huh. Good point. You know what? Let's take it all to Wish Recycling right now. Okay. All ready to sort and recycle.
Goodbye, bike. Hope someone finds you and loves you.
These old bicycle wheels will make perfect engine gaskets.
Goodbye, old computer monitor.
Hey, I can use this for my greasifier.
It's such a good idea to get rid of all this stuff. Goodbye, fridge.
This is still useful.
And goodbye, shoe. Join the other... What? Where's the other... Oh.
Well, I'm not gonna waste it. I'm just gonna reuse it myself.
Will you? Or is it going to end up spilled all over the place again?
Not if you help me, because you are super good at organising.
Okay.
Yay!
One more thing and... ta-da!
That looks great. Thanks, Carly. And look, I made this for you.
You actually did reuse that old boot and created something beautiful. And I can put it right here.
Carly, no!
Sandy?
Maybe I could reuse some help.
I feel the need to lead with speed. You okay? That's a lot of hay.
It's no joke. My coupler broke. The cows need this hay.
Well, it's on my way. I'll take it.
You gotta watch your stack out of the track. Remember, it's tall. To tell the truth, one little goof
And the whole thing's gonna fall. Got it. I'm gonna lay on the speed. There's cows to feed.
Uh-oh. Connor, watch your height. You're gonna hit the light. Connor, you're in trouble. Watch out for that tunnel. You can't go this way. You'll lose your... Hey!
How do you moo? I've got food for you. What? My bales of hay went away?
I know what's amiss. Are you looking for this?
I went too fast and lost my stack.
But you had good friends who brought it back.
Absolutely.
Thanks for bailing me out on my unstacked fruit. But I'm back on track. I've learned to keep an eye on my stack.
Straight to the docks and be careful. We want to surprise Sir Topham Hatt when he gets back from the mainland. Don't worry. I'll be so careful.
Not confetti.
What's wrong, Diesel? I thought everyone liked confetti.
Everybody loves confetti. Just not in their intake vents.
Thomas, I told you to be careful. I was careful. You should be carefuler, like the carefulest. Oops, missed some. Now remember. Whoa! Hey, where did the confetti car go?
There. Let's go.
Be careful, or the confetti will explode again. Wait! Sandy's right, we have to be careful.
I'm being careful.
Oh, no! Whoa!
How is it not exploding?
Ah!
Okay, this is getting ridiculous.
This way! That doesn't look careful!
Hello!
Welcome back, Sir Topham Hatt.
And surprise!
Huh? I got this.
Let me try.
Busy day. Must be going. Bye-bye.
Oh, no! What happened to the confetti? I don't get it. All it took before was...
Don't say it.
Everybody loves confetti.
Confetti.
Woohoo! Wow, she is fast.
I'll still beat her in a race around Sodor. Connor said I can make the rules.
She did?
I did. Okay, one lap around Sodor. First one back to Percy wins.
Ready when you are.
First rule, we start when Percy says go. So, when do we start, Percy?
When I say go.
You said go!
I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See you at the finish
what's wrong is you're winning until now.
Ha! Nice try.
New rule. You have to go the long way.
No problem. Hi, where you been?
New rule. You have to ride on one side of your wheel.
This side or this side?
New rule. You have to go backwards.
Diesel, I'm just faster than you, but you're stronger than me. How about we cross together and call it a tie?
New rule. Whoever comes in second wins.
Okay. Stronger means heavier.
Whoa!
And harder to slow down.
Are you okay?
Yeah, but next time it's a strength contest.
Okay, but I get to make the rules.
There you go, Thomas. All done. I love the feeling of being sparkly clean after a good scrub.
Okay, Sandy, your turn.
No! I don't want to take a bath. Aww. Come on, Sandy. Don't you want to be clean and shiny like me? No. I like being muddy. It's my look. Besides, you're just going to get all dirty again. Maybe, but I'll make you a deal. If I can stay clean all day, then you have to take a bath. You are on. Hope you don't have any dirty deliveries today. Pigs? Oh, bolts. Bet you can't stay clean. I'm taking them to the farm. Not rolling in the mud with them. Good luck. Ah, what a bright, shiny, sparkly, clean day. Easy greasy. And I'm still clean as a whistle. Have fun in the mud. Whoa! Piggy, look out! Ah, bolts.
Thomas, what happened to you?
I fell in the mud, and I bet Sandy I'd stay clean all day. Yes, I knew I'd win.
Well, why didn't you take another bath before she sees you?
No, I have to tell her the truth. Are you looking for the winner? I'm right here. Huh?
Ha! You got a mud mustache.
Look, I'm all clean. Oh. I'll wash off if I can do it like that. Let's get clean.
That's the last package. I need more sleep.
Oh, bolts. I need to take a nap. Maybe I could just rest here. Oh, too flossery. Oh, those trees look nice. Maybe I'll take a nap here. Yikes! Too spooky! Oh, bright and sunny, no creepy sounds, no butterflies. Nap time. Yikes! Too mirry! Oh, too sheepy! Oh,
Too sleepy.
what is that? Oh, it's just a skunk. A skunk? Oh! 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 Stinky skunk! Stinky skunk! What's going on, Percy? I just wanted to find a secret napping place and take a nap. My friend, I know the perfect spot. There's no better napping place than home.
You'll never catch me, dragon!
Bet you can't catch me, dragon.
must be my incredibly vivid imagination again. Oh, of course, it's just a dragon. A dragon? Run away! Ah!
Dragon sighting! There!
This way, knights! To the rescue!
Help!
Whoops! This way, knights!
What?
Huzzah! Gotcha, James. We're here to rescue you from the dragon float.
Save yourselves and... What?
Dragon captured. We were playing dragon, and he got away from us.
I see. Well, perhaps this time one of you can be the dragon and I'll be the handsome and almost unbearably charming knight.
I'll be the dragon this time.
Dragon? There's a dragon! Run away! Run away!
Whoa!
Come, Knight Kana, let's save the kingdom from the beast!
Lead the way! Lead the way! Let's roll!
Wait, my wheel is loose. Yeah, so loose. Hey!
No cracks, bolts tight, no wobble.
No problem.
Come on, guys. It's a long way to Harwick.
Ah, I don't want to do this. Think of something else. Thomas, I think my axle is cracked.
A cracked axle is terrible.
Yeah, except the axles are fine.
Well, my boiler is leaking.
Boxcars don't have boilers.
True, but my underpins are overpinned.
That's not a thing. No more delays. Let's go.
Ah, a bolt. Thomas, your coupler is loose.
No! You've been checked and rechecked.
But it's for real this time.
Oh, no! Whoa!
Oh, I blame myself. I blame you too.
Phew. I thought you guys were pretending again that my coupler was broken.
Your coupler broke? Ugh, that's bad.
But we'll fix it. Now you, I believe, Sandy.
I told you not to pretend you were broken. Well, you pretended your wheel was broken first. Well, you pretended you had a leaky boiler. Boxcars don't have boilers. Next time, let's just go to Harwick.
Jump out of your hiding place and surprise me, you win. But if I sneak up and surprise you, I win. That's why it's called Hide and Surprise!
Okay, I'll hide first.
Ready or not, here I come to surprise you.
Surprise! I win. Okay, it's your turn to hide.
Oh, I'm going to hide all right. Somewhere Percy will never find her.
Sorry, but it's hide and surprise. Remember? I love this game.
Percy will never find me in here.
Surprise!
Ah! He'll never find me here.
Surprise!
Ha 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 ha. Diesel's undercover.
Surprise! Surprise!
Ooh, ha ha. The perfect hiding place.
Surprise!
He's not going to surprise me this time. I'm going to surprise him. Ha ha.
Chugga chugga woohoo!
Ha ha. Whoa.
Nailed it!
Surprise! Ah!
Diesel, that was great!
Surprise!
Rolling round, rolling across to Vickerstown. Oh no, ducks on the tracks. My cargo. Phew, landed shipshape. Train coming through. Sorry, but I have to get the stuff to Vickerstown. Time to waddle on, ducks. I'm in a hurry. Ducks, time to go. No. Okay then. I'm going to toot scoot you out of the way. Now scoot!
Good morning, Nia.
Oh, now I'm stopped at a red light. When that light turns green, I have to go. Now scoot! Wait, that tickles.
A red light? Great. Nia, the light is green. Stop playing with those ducks and go. Real funny. Now let me out.
Sorry, got to go.
But I need to get to Vickerstown.
I have the perfect plan.
This is your perfect plan? Yes, you're cute, but that tickles. Cut it out, okay?